Hi everyone, I am back in my kitchen today. I'm a sweaty mess. I just did my usual 1 hour walk outside, but I've been making this protein shake that somehow, some way, it's vegan by the way, has turned into, and I'm not even kidding, it tastes exactly like a Wendy's Frosty. I'm not kidding. My husband, I'm probably gonna do a thumbnail that says Wendy, so you'll know. But my husband and I are both like, I cannot believe this. It's so good. It tastes like a shake. It tastes like a Frosty. It's super easy to make. I thought I'd share it with you. And it is out of this world. If you're a chocolate person, I'm a chocolate person for sure. This is dairy-free and literally tastes exactly like a Wendy's Frosty. So let's do this. Okay, and I haven't calculated the amount of calories in the entire shake, but you can do that yourself. So first of all, if you have seen my first vlog video, you'll know that I always use this organic rice protein powder. I accidentally bought plain this time. I didn't really notice much of a difference. I was buying vanilla. But so per tablespoon, 60 calories and 12 grams of protein. I usually do around 2.5 tablespoons per serving. So this is gonna be a double batch for my husband and myself. So that means I'm gonna do, wow, do I do that many? Yeah, I'll do 5 scoops or sometimes 4 because I make them heaping. Listen, I'm not a baker. None of this is exact, but you'll get the idea. So 60 calories, 12 grams of protein. I'm gonna put this in last. I don't like when the powder gets all stuck to the bottom of my Ninja. By the way, I need a new one. It's cracked here. This piece fell off. This is at least 5 years old, so I can't complain, if not 6. But it's fantastic at chopping up frozen things. So previously when I was making these shakes, if you'll remember from my other video, I was putting ice and then just regular fruit. Well, now I'm taking my regular fruit and I'm chopping it up and freezing it. So all of these bananas, I wait till they ripen really well on the counter and then I chop them up and I freeze them myself. Makes a huge difference. I'm sure if you're vegan or plant-based, you've heard of nice cream. And this is how you make nice cream with frozen bananas. So that's what's making this literally like there's ice cream in this shake, okay? So this is a double batch again, so it's at least 2 frozen bananas. Put those in first. And then I personally add, and you won't even taste these, at least a cup of frozen strawberries as well. The reason why I do that is because I am, trying to be healthy, and I get all of our daily vitamin C just from these strawberries. You probably know that I think 5 strawberries is more than, it's like 150% of your vitamin C for the day, something like that. So strawberries are packed with vitamin C, so I add those, and I promise you it will not take away from the chocolatey flavor. Okay, now I will add the protein powder. So you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a pretty heaping one. I'll do a little 5. See, I'm not real exact, but I like to make sure that way we get like 24 for 2 tablespoons. So we get almost like 30 grams of protein each from this stuff. This is great. It's linked in my vlog video. It's from Amazon. And I have shopped around. It's the same price everywhere, so why not get it from Amazon? And then, let's see. I usually now is when I'll pour in my unsweetened vanilla almond milk, which is only 30 calories. Bananas are around 100 calories each, so figure 100 calories. Let's see, 100 calories and about 150 on the protein, so now we're at 250. The strawberries I wouldn't even count. Okay, let's give them 20 calories. We're at 270. Probably 60 calories for 2 servings of the almond milk. That's at 310. And that is it. That is all the calories, because everything else I'm adding will not have calories in it. So I'm going to take that to about 32 ounces. I do feel like I have a lot of bananas in there. It might be too thick. You can add water or you can add more of this. I'm not a huge calorie counter, so I'm adding these up just for everyone else's benefit. Also, this I happen to have on hand. Now, you can use regular vanilla. You don't need a sweetener. The bananas are so sweet from ripening them on the counter first, but this is a stevia with a little vanilla. You can see it, sweetener. Now I bought this, I thought I was gonna put it in my coffee. Ew, sir. I'm surprised I like it in here. I don't care for it. I normally like stevia as a sweetener, but this kind of has that horrible sweetener aftertaste kind of stuff. So I just do a quick squirt and a half in there. You can use just a teaspoon of vanilla extract instead. Oh, and then cacao powder. Here it is. I buy the Hershey's Cocoa. It's 100% cacao. I'm wondering, you could probably do the nibs. I've never bought those before. I do around, I don't know, 2 of those. What's that? 2 tablespoons maybe? Right? All right, let's give this a whirl and see how it comes out. I can tell it's already perfect. I'm just gonna take this off. It's pretty solidified. It's like ice cream or like a milkshake. Let me show you. I'll pour it in. You'll see how it comes out. Tell me, listen to that. That right there. And this is what my husband commented on. See at the very top how it looks like there's ice cream? Like a shake, like a milkshake or a Frosty. So cheers to you. I'm gonna take a sip. You might have to tweak it, you never know. Please try it. I'm not even doing this for the camera. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. The chocolatey taste and the texture of ice cream. It's totally, it's insane, it really is. So maybe, what did I say, 300 calories per serving? But it's my breakfast. This is what I eat for breakfast. Loaded in protein, loaded in vitamin C, whatever you're getting from the bananas, potassium, fiber, all that great stuff. And your almond milk is fortified with some more great stuff. Your vitamin D, some calcium, a little bit of iron, A and E. It's a complete meal, and it is delicious. The only problem I foresee happening is you're gonna want another glass of it, but anyway, it can't hurt you. You can also make this for dessert. The other thing I wanted to mention is another counterpart to this, and I call it my Black Forest shake, is right now cherries are in season. The biggest pain is getting the pits out first, but if you can get through pitting a cup of cherries instead of maybe the strawberries and throwing that in there, you have a chocolate cherry Black Forest smoothie. Take it from me, I love food, I know how to eat. This is fantastic. My husband's outside. I'm gonna go pour his and bring him one. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you try this video. Nope. Let me know if you try this shake. I heard my daughter laughing playing her video game. That's why I said that. Right, Tali? And if you do try it, please leave a comment down below and let me know. I really would love to hear from you all. All right, guys. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Bye, everyone.